Yes, Nilesh, can we start? Kaushik ji, Neha ji, are you available?
Yes, Mukesh ji, we're there.
Yes, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Can we start?
Sure, we can.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, good afternoon and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. I would like to welcome all of you for joining this webinar. My name is Mukesh Patra, working as a Managing Director and CEO for House Seekers. Our company name is Harmony Infra Solutions Private Limited. Before moving, I want to introduce brief about my company. We have our business spread across Mumbai, Delhi, and Pune with more than 500 happy customers. House Seeker is fastly growing technology-driven company. Our aim is to enable home buyers to make the right choice at right time. And we always wish to make real estate buying journey very simple and memorable for all our customers. And we achieve it by our end-to-end assistance. Our valuable team of experts always guide to all our customers to make an intelligent and good choice when it comes to buying any real estate. And we provide with the right advice based on your requirement with the support of our property search algorithm. At House Seekers, transparency is the key to foster a culture of trust and understanding with every buyer who walks in through our doors to seek our trusted services. Our thorough and meticulous process always minimize the risk of investing in the wrong project, and we never charge any single rupees from our customers. So I will be your host for today. Before starting and hand over to Neha, I would like to introduce our keynote speaker, Mr. Kaushik Patil. Is General Manager in Sales at Xanadu Realty. Welcome, Mr. Kaushik.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
And Mr. Nilay Thakur, he's also General Manager in Sales at Xanadu Realty. And welcome, Mr. Nilay. Yes, and Miss Neha, she's also realty expert from Xanadu Realty. So, Kaushik ji, if you can explain about the opportunity and why we all are here, because we organize this event for all our customers for land investment, which is completely seaside plots directly faces from house of Abhinandan Lodha. If you can explain about this to all our customers and about the opportunity, then definitely it will help for all our customers to understand it.
Sure. So good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for taking out time today for this webinar. So I will just give you a fair introduction about what we are going to present you and what is the opportunity. So we are here to introduce you the luxury seaside plots from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. Now, the concept is that a lot of us aspire to buy plots, but then we don't go for it because of lack in transparency, or maybe we don't know about the eligibility of buying it. So today we are going to make that experience very simple for you, and hence this branded C plots, and the buying will be at your fingertips by doing this. So we are going to revolutionize the way of buying land for our customers. So I will just hand it over to my colleague Neha, who will present you the opportunity. Over to you, Neha.
Yes, Nehaji, I have given access to you. Kindly check.
Okay, I'll just check it. Okay, is the screen visible?
Yes, Neha.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. My name is Neha. Welcome to Once in a Lifetime Opportunity, as Kaushik has already told you, presented to you from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. Okay, what we will do is we shall quickly first have a look at this exceptional proposition, understand the minute details about the project, also take some note about the infrastructure development, which is coming in and around this most unexplored location of Ratnagiri, which is Dapoli, and also the unmatched product offering. Okay, so in the end, we'll have a look at the limited opportunity at the price point that we're giving you, followed by the process, the simple process that we will be following to apply in this opportunity. Okay, so we'll just start. Okay, so firstly, why do we invest in wealth? Okay, we do that mainly to have a brighter tomorrow so that we can, add to our asset class and to fulfill our dreams. So, firstly, let's just try and understand what is land in terms of an asset class. Okay, there are few reasons because of which land is still a very evergreen asset class. First is this asset is very tangible. Okay, apart from that, the cost of entry and the property tax is also very low as compared to residential or commercial that you buy. Apart from that, it's available in different sizes. Okay, so you can buy something as small as 2000, 2500 and take up to maybe an acre or two. Apart from that, the paperwork is also simpler. Okay. In spite of all these things, we have many people who are not very comfortable investing in land. We'll just understand the reasons for those first. Okay. So these are a few general reasons. Firstly, land parcel as such is extremely difficult to acquire. Okay. There is no sort of infrastructure support which is provided on that barren land. The markings are not very clear, and there's no proper demarcation also that is done. Of course, most important, why people are scared to invest in it is because there is always a fear of encroachment. Okay, there is a lot of paperwork that has to be done. There is absolutely no clarity in terms of your title deed ownership and so on. Okay, so while land gives you high returns, however, it's pretty high on risk as well. Okay, but then I'll just explain why land becomes a very important asset to own. Okay, mainly because it becomes a part of your savings, a huge chunk of your saving, which will help you to fund your child's higher education in the future. Okay, apart from that, you can plan your own world trip. Of course, it will help you to fund your own business venture in terms of a business plan, or in fact, build a house or villa or mansion of your dreams. So, what we have done is we saw previously what are the problems which people face, which all of you face while buying into a land. So, what we have tried to do is we have tried to eliminate the risk of all these land ownerships. Okay, so I would like you to pay attention over here. When you buy land with just any local developer, what you get is just the land parcel, right? But what we are bringing to you is a branded land. Now, what exactly does branded land mean? Okay, firstly, it's a curated land parcel. You'll also have assured infrastructure support. All your basic and core elements like roads, electricity, water, everything would be in place. It's going to be properly demarcated and packaged in a very easy to acquire manner. It's going to be the first project in Ratnagiri, in Dapoli, which is going to have a thematic development and world-class amenities. So there is no such development that you have in that location, which is going to be of our stature. The ownership documents will be clearly titled and will be available with you at the time of registration. And most importantly, you'll have complete peace of mind because this entire land parcel is going to be professionally managed. Okay, so this becomes simpler in terms of your product offering also, and also the process in which you'll become the owner of this particular land parcel. Of course, and one major thing to add to it is that what we are looking at in our project is we are introducing land by the sea. Okay, so the most important factor, I'll just give one example in Mumbai. We all are aware of Bandra, right? So there are two locations, Bandra, which are just 1 kilometer away. Okay, we have Turner Road, which is roughly at about 65 to 70,000 per square feet. And then we have Bandstand, okay, which is just probably a kilometer away, but it demands almost 110,000 to 120,000 PSF. The main reason for this is because these are seaside or sea facing apartments, right? So that's the kind of demand sea facing or sea view apartments or houses have. Right. So as I mentioned, we are not just giving you land or land by the sea. What we are giving you is a branded land by the sea. So branded land, we've already seen, the advantages of buying into it. And apart from that, you can also expect higher appreciation because you get this branded land by the sea. All right. So we are introducing to you codename Bliss from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. I'll explain what exactly Bliss is. Before that, we'll just have a look at this short video.
Ever dreamt of staying close to the blissful sea, the splendid mountains, and perhaps even your heart? A destination waiting to be discovered by you. Introducing Codename Bliss. Discover seaside lifestyle plots at Dapoli from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. Discover a life bestowed with nature's finest blessings. Imagine waking up to the breathtaking view of the hills, taking a leisurely stroll on the beach, letting loose with your kids in the lush greens, reconnecting back with the simpler joys of life, and indulging in a lifestyle thoughtfully curated just for you. A breezy 5-hour drive away from both Mumbai and Pune, Dapoli and its magical charm is sure to mesmerize your mind, titillate your senses, and soothe your soul. Choose a lifestyle that comes with the promise of a growing investment and the assurance of one of the most inspiring legacies in real estate. The pristine mountains are waiting for you, and the azure waves are calling. It's time you truly experienced bliss with your choice.
Just give me a second. Okay. So through that video, we were introduced to this entire concept of bliss, okay, which is branded land investment stocks scheme. So we'll just try and understand this word by word, what exactly this means. Okay, so when we talk about branded land, you have these seaside land plots, which are from one of the most renowned real estate developers in Mumbai, which is from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. Okay, why investment is because these are easy to acquire prices at upcoming location, which is Dapoli. So when you look at investment, you always see the kind of appreciation that you would get in Dapoli, right? So currently, if you ask me, this location has about 12 to 15% year-on-year appreciation in terms of land parcels. But because of the further infrastructure development, which is going to come up, it is capable of seeing roughly 150 to 160% appreciation in the next 7 to 8 years. I'll go to the details of it once we go to the infrastructure slide. Apart from that, in terms of stock scheme, okay, it's a very simplified digital buying process. Just as how you buy anything on, say, an Amazon or a Flipkart, it's going to be on the similar lines. We have a proper official link which is available through which you can buy the land parcel, and all sorts of payment processes are available. So right from your debit card, credit card, net banking, UBI ID, through your Google Pay, Paytm, any sort of process you can go in for. And in terms of stocks, you can buy either one or many. So it's a modular purchase. So if you're looking at, say, 10,000, you can buy 4 plots of 2,500 each, or you can buy 1 plot of 7,500 and 1 plot of 2,500, and so on. So all the combinations are possible. Yes. So as I mentioned, you have plot sizes ranging right from 2,500 going up to a little more than an acre. Okay, and you have the flexibility to build anything that you want on it, provided you stick to the restriction in terms of height, which is G+1 level. So a house, villa, mention, anything that you want, you can build. And these are going to be cleanly cut and easily demarcated plots. We just try and understand the connectivity quickly. Okay, so your nearest railway station right now is Khed railway station. Apart from that, there is proposed extension of your CST Roha local rail connect. Okay, and this has already been approved. Second is your waterway from Belapur to Harnai. So you have Harnai port, which is very close to our development. Okay, you will have upcoming jetty at Harnai port, which is going to reduce your travel time through boat to as close to 70 minutes. Okay, so this is proposed from Belapur, but we can also look at having it from CST as well, just as how you have this jetty going to Alibag. The third is the new Panvel International Airport, which we are already aware of. It's located at a distance of about 165 kilometers. And then you have the Mumbai-Goa highway, again, one of the most important connectivity aspects. So right now, it takes roughly about 5 hours to reach Dapoli, either from Mumbai or Pune. But that's because that lane is currently 2-lane. Okay, so the work is already on. That is going to get converted into a 4-lane. Apart from that, one more very important infrastructure development is your Mumbai-Goa coastal highway, okay, which is going to reduce your travel time to almost 3 hours by 2022. So this is in terms of connectivity to Dapoli. As I mentioned, in terms of infrastructure development, Dapoli has proximity to 2 upcoming ports, which is going to develop that area. First is the Dighi port, which is an industrial port, 110 kilometers away. And then you have Harnai port, which is going to facilitate your waterways transport, which is roughly about 17 kilometers from Dapoli, from our particular land parcel, sorry. Dapoli is also, very much strategically placed as a part of your entire DMIC corridor, which is your Delhi-Mumbai industrial corridor. Now, what happens because of this is there is going to be a lot of infrastructure development, and because of which, the entire area is going to see a lot of appreciation as well. It's going to be on the similar lines like how you had in Hinjewadi, which is close to Pune. So because of the infrastructure development, you see the prices of Hinjewadi going higher. If you compare it to anything in Mumbai, for example, it's the similar logic that you would drive when you had your metro coming up, or for that matter, even, Eastern Freeway coming up. So the prices hike up because of such infrastructure development. We see a similar story in Dapoli as well. Apart from that, when it comes to Dapoli, we get the best of both worlds because it's a coastal hill station. The temperature over there is, again, it's very pleasant. And at the same time, it's a coastal area and a hill station area as well. Okay, so as I rightly mentioned initially, why are we saying that it's going to be the next Alibag by 2025 is because roughly about 12 to 15 years back, Alibag, the prices of Alibag were close to say 250 or 300 PSF. And now currently they are almost 2000 to 2500 PSF. Why? Because of the infrastructure development that has come, right? So if you ask me right now, it would not make any sense to invest in Alibag because that kind of appreciation this location has already seen. Okay, so when we talk about Dapoli, we are at that developing stage right now, and it's only going to go upwards from here. So these are a few things which make Dapoli as a personal favorite hotspot as well. You have dolphin spotting. You have unexplored beaches which are a part of Dapoli. Okay, so these are your indicative coordinates. We can share it with you individually as well on WhatsApp. This will tell you where exactly our land parcel is. In terms of location, it's located very close to Kolthare beach, and the location is Sheetal Nagar in Dapoli. So these are a few actual pictures from the site. I have a couple of them. One of them is these. Yeah, so we have these 3 pictures. Okay, now we'll try and understand what is it that makes a project very different, from other just normal projects which are there in Dapoli, because the kind of amenities that we're going to provide, no one in Dapoli is going to give you that. Okay, so we have different elements to this entire amenity space. First element is your community center. Okay, so after this work from home concept coming into picture, we have created co-working spaces in this particular land parcel. Apart from that, you will have open air spaces. You'll have a dance music center. Your element 2 is your aqua zone. Okay, these are a few pictures. The third element is going to be a wellness center, which is going to have an indoor gym, a spa, meditation pergolas, and so on. You also have this wellness center in terms of spa, indoor gym, meditation pergolas, like we said, and the botanical gardens, Okay, so you'll have a lot of plants in this particular section. There'll be open seating spaces. You'll have an open counter kitchen, and indigenous stonework that you see here right at the center. And then you have multi-sport play spaces. Okay, so right from mini cricket pitches to your basketball courts to your children play spaces, all will be available in this particular section. Most important, you don't have to step out of the project for any basic necessities that you have. Okay, so it's going to be built at a G+1 level, and convenience outlet that we're talking about. It is going to stock up all your groceries and your essential medicines. Okay, this will be a part of this development. And of course, very important is also your smart security. So you'll have app-based security systems, anti-theft cameras, motion sensors, which are going to be a part of the development. All right. So this is, the rough layout that we're talking about. Number one is the community center that you see here right at the center. Number two is going to be your aqua zone, which is more towards your entire sea side. Number three is your wellness center that we discussed. And number four are your botanical gardens. Okay, so everything is properly placed in this entire development. Right. So I'll just quickly sum up. What we have over here is a very simplified inventory buying. Okay, you can take one or combination, or so it starts from as small as 2,500 square feet, which is an aqua plot. The next size is Laguna, which is 7,500. And then we have bigger plots. Oceania is almost half an acre, which is 25,000 square feet. And then you have Avantgarde, which is 50,000 square feet. So, for example, as I mentioned initially, you can have combinations of these as well. The smallest over here is 2,500. So what you need to do is you have to fill the pre-booking form. So we'll go through that process also later. Apart from that, the token that we're looking at over here is just 99,000 for your aqua unit. Okay. And of course, the token would slightly increase when you go ahead with Laguna, Oceania, Avantgarde, and so on. Once you do the token amount payment, you will have a receipt which will be generated from your official ID once you do the form submission. Your entire allocation and registration will happen in the month of Feb 2021. So right now you are just applying to be a part of this opportunity. Your actual allocation of the plot will happen in the month of February 2021. Full payment has to be done when you get the possession. So once you do the full payment, you can get the possession of the plot. Right. So, we were very, so I'll just tell you about how we have come to this pricing. Okay. Firstly, what we have is an evergreen asset, which is your land. Most importantly, ours is a branded land, and that too by the sea, which makes it all the more attractive. We have a very reputed brand on board, which is House of Abhinandan Lodha. You have seaside lifestyle plot, which gives you a very enriching and a lifestyle experience. And in a location like Dapoli, which is a hidden gem for all the investors, and it is on the cusp of growth. So it automatically becomes a very priceless asset. Okay, firstly, I'll just talk about various locations in and around us. So firstly, if you see Mumbai, there is absolutely no land parcel which is available. Secondly, Lonavala. So if you look at a 2,500 square feet plot, okay, we are just doing comparisons with the different locations for the same size of plot, which is 2,500 square feet. In Lonavala, firstly, you will not find any branded land, and absolutely no, of course, Lonavala does not have a seaside. So a 2,500 square feet plot will cost you somewhere around 1 crore, nothing less than that. If you see Alibag, yes, seaside plots are available, but there is no branded land over there. So there's always that fear of encroachment and, security factors that we spoke about. And a 2,500 square feet plot, you will get for 50 lakhs minimum, nothing less than that. When we talk about Goa, yes, you'll get seaside plots, but for nothing less than 75 lakhs for a 2,500 square feet. And again, no branded land concept, which is there in Goa, right? So what we have got to you is an easy to acquire pre-booking price. Okay, firstly, as I said, your launch or the allocation is going to be in the month of February 2021. So at that point of time, what we are looking at is a price of 12.5 lakhs. Okay, and this 12.5 lakhs is your plot cost. Over and above this, you would have some infrastructure charge, you'll have stamp duty, registration, incidental charges, etc. But this price that we're talking about is going to be in the month of February 2021. So right now, what we've got to you is the pre-booking opportunity, which Kaushik already mentioned and spoke about, which is 9.9 lakhs plus. Okay, so this is the pre-launch price that we are talking about, which will be applicable to you in terms of plot cost. If you book in an application right now, we will have a look at the process, but just to mention, this entire application-based process is a first-come, first-serve allocation-based system. So it's not a lottery wherein you will put in an application and then we will select plots by a lottery system. It's purely on a time stamping basis. So when you pay the application token amount, you will get a receipt, as I mentioned, from the official ID, which will mention the time also when you have put in an application, right? So if you have applied at say 4 o'clock and someone else has applied at 4:05 p.m., so you will get an advantage because you have applied 5 minutes before him. So that's kind of first come first serve allocation we're talking about. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Neha, for explaining about the opportunity and the price, pre-launch price and the launch price. So definitely there is opportunity, and now this is the time to answer all questions asked by our customers. So, Kaushik, are you available?
Mukesh ji, I will take the questions.
Yes. Okay. Okay, Nilaji. So Nilaji, we have received couple of questions from the customer side. So Mr. Deepak is asking, are all plots are sea facing? Yeah, what kind of plots will be sea facing?
So all the plots in this particular development are seaside plots. Okay. So there is a sea, which is a 5-minute walk. So you need to think about this particular development as a resort. So for example, अगर आप अलीबाग या गोवा कोई resort में जाते हैं, तो आप जब भी आपके रूम से निकलते हैं, तो किसी किसी को 5 मिनट चल के जाना पड़ता है बीच की तरफ, किसी किसी को 1 मिनट में ही बीच पहुंच जाते हैं आप. तो यू नीड टू लुक एट दिस फ्रॉम दैट पर्सपेक्टिव कि सारे के सारे प्लॉट्स जो है सी साइड प्लॉट्स है. आपको आपके खिड़की से समुंदर नहीं दिखेगा. यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सी द सी फ्रॉम योर विंडो. बट यस, if you go to a terrace, we have a height restriction of G+1 structure. So everyone can make only a G+1 structure. So if you go to the first level, you will be able to see the sea. Okay, but then don't expect to see the ocean from your window. All the plots are seaside plots.
Okay, great. And Mr. Rakesh, he's from Dubai. He's asking about location advantage for this project.
Okay. So location advantage, firstly, if you look at all the separate locations which were showcased in the earlier presentation, whether it is Mumbai, Lonavala, Mahabaleshwar or Alibag, if you some of these locations don't offer an opportunity of buying a seaside plot. Okay, seaside plots are available in Alibag, but then a similar size of plot in Alibag will cost you at least 50 lakh rupees. That's the first thing. Second thing is, if you look at Dapoli, Dapoli is a coastal hill station. यहाँ पे जो है, you get the benefit of living in the mountains at the same time having access to the ocean. तो ये दोनों benefits मिलते हैं. If I have to answer this question from a perspective कि infrastructure wise, what is the impact for this location called Dapoli? I will list down the 3 important infrastructure projects which are going to impact Dapoli in the short term. So first project is the Mumbai-Goa highway. Abhi jo hai, Mumbai-Goa highway is a 2-lane highway which is getting widened to a 4-lane highway. The work is already in progress. It will be complete. 80% of the work is complete, and the entire project will get completed in another 3 to 4 years. The second impact is that there is a jetty which is going to start at Harnai Beach. Okay, so Harnai is a port in Dapoli, from where you will have ferry services available, which will make easier for passengers to travel from Belapur and Gateway of India to reach Dapoli. So I just want to set an example. So if you look at Alibag, and the growth story of Alibag, there are 2 reasons which have impacted the price point in Alibag. The first is that pehle yahan pe there was no highway. The highway, Mumbai-Goa highway, was not so developed. Now it is quite developed, so it is much easier to travel to Alibag right now. Second impact is the fact that there is a port by the name of Mandwa. After Mandwa jetty came up, it became very easy for people to travel to Alibag. And the latest example is the fact that the Roro service, which also has the capability to carry 100 cars, has just been inaugurated 2 or 3 days ago. So a similar service and the port will get completely operational at Harnai in the next 2 to 3 years. The third impact is going to come from an infrastructure project which is called as the Mumbai-Goa Coastal Road. This is a 3,500 crore infrastructure project which is proposed by the government of Maharashtra. It is designed on the lines of the US West Coast Highway, and it is going to connect all the coastal regions of Alibag, Dapoli, Ganpatipule, and the road will go further and connect to Goa. Now, these three infrastructure projects are going to impact the price points at Dapoli in the short term, which is over a period of next 3 to 4 years. That is why in the presentation, we are saying that based on these facts, we are expecting the pricing in Dapoli to be at par with the price of Alibag in the next 5 years. So right now, if I have to put it into a very simple sentence, you are getting a seaside plot at Dapoli at a 25% cost of a similar plot in Alibag. So that is the kind of upside that you are looking for.
Okay. Thank you so much. And Mr. Anupam is asking, is there any option to choose the plot? Yeah, on what basis you will start the allocation?
So firstly, it is a pre-booking phase that we are having. We will start the allocation in the month of February. Okay. And it is a system where we will offer you a plot. If you don't like what you are getting, you can ask us to change. So we will keep on giving you options till the time you like something. And even if after giving you 10, 20 options, you still don't like what you're getting, you have the complete freedom to apply for a refund, and we will refund back your money in 30 to 45 days.
Okay, so this pre-booking process is completely refundable, right?
Yes, the pre-booking process is completely refundable. There are two scenarios in which a customer can take refund. Firstly, in case he doesn't like the plot which has been allotted to him, we will give him options because we want each one of us to be having a plot with us. At the same time, we are very confident that every customer is going to like what they have been offered. That is why we are openly saying that if you don't like what you're getting in the month of Feb, apply for a refund and I will give you back your 1 lakh rupees.
Okay, so are we taking
option,
any? Sorry, yeah, please continue.
Yeah, the second option is right now we have applied for an NA. The NA will also come in the month of February. If for any reason I am not able to arrange for an NA, I will again refund back the money. Okay? So all your formalities, your registration will happen only after I have the NA, and that is when I will do the allocation. Now, one more reason why you should be pre-booking with us right now is because once I get an NA, the price will increase by 50%. So typically, that is how land works. Agricultural land is cheaper. The moment I get an NA, it becomes more expensive. So I'm going to increase my pricing by 50% once I get an NA. So it is beneficial that you pre-book with us right now.
Great. So, and when we are giving possession of this plot?
The possession of this plot will, every customer will get the possession of this plot between 2 to 4 months from the date of registration. So registration approximately would be in the month of February, March. So from February, March, within 2 to 4 months, they will get the possession of the plot.
Okay. So Mr. Sagar is asking, what is the maintenance charges and how much?
The maintenance charges are 5 rupees per square feet annually. And these are payable at the time of possession. We will be charging the maintenance charges for 1 year, and that is what will be payable when we give the possession.
So if we calculate for 2,500 square feet, then it will be around 12,000 rupees, right? For annually.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay.
Yes, that is right.
So, and Mr. Rahambau is asking, there are 3 types of carpets, right? 2,500, 7,000 and 25,000. So what is the price for 25,000 square feet?
The price, the pre-launch price for 2,500 square feet is 9.9 lakh rupees. if you add the taxes and the infrastructure charges, in total, it will be roughly around 12.5 lakh rupees, and we can discuss the price sheet on a one-on-one basis. So the pricing for a 2,500 square feet plot is around 12.5 lakh rupees, and everything else is in multiplies of the same price.
So he's asking for 25,000 square feet.
25,000 square feet, we'll share a separate price sheet, but it will be, we'll have to share a separate price sheet. You just have to multiply it accordingly.
Okay. So it will be discussed on one-to-one meeting, right?
Yes, that is correct.
So, one more customer is asking how many square feet of plots or units are available for sale?
So we are having 70 acres of land parcel, which is a huge number of plots. If you divide it, the smallest size of the plot is 2,500 square feet. So if you divide 70 acres by 2,500 square feet, that will be the number of plots that are available with me.
Okay. So next question from Mr. Sandeep side, he's asking if we book it and on what basis allocation will be done. It will be on random basis. Yeah, any choice we will take at the time of pre-booking.
There are no choices which we are taking. We aren't mentioning any preferences because all plots are the same. There is not much difference. All plots are seaside plots.
Okay.
But a person who books first will have the largest choice of inventory or largest choice of plots, while a person who is going to book, let's say a customer is a 500th customer who is making the booking, then his choice will reduce by 500.
Okay.
So the allocation will happen on a first come, first serve basis. And what it is going to impact is the amount of choices that will be available for him at the time of booking.
Okay. So next question is from Mr. Ashok side. He's asking after the possession, who will maintain this property? Lodha developer, yeah, we will going to hand over to someone.
So we will be managing the development for 1 year. That is why we are charging a maintenance of 1 year at the time of possession. After 1 year, the society will be eventually formed, and the contract can be given by the society to the AMC contractor for further upkeep of the development.
Okay. So, and when we are expecting, one more question is coming, and when we are expecting to complete the Bliss Element project, which we have planned.
So all the amenities will be ready in the month of September 21.
Okay. And Mr. Ashok is asking any NA charges per plot yearly?
No, there are no additional NA charges. The NA charges, so the price that the customer is paying right now is the price for an NA plot.
Okay. And next question, customer are asking, what is the difference between Lodha Group and House of Abhinandan Lodha? How it is, because can you brief about this?
Yes, so this particular House of Abhinandan Lodha, this is a joint, the company that is doing, the company that owns this particular project is by the name of Lodha Associates. Lodha Associates is owned jointly by Mr. Abhinandan Lodha, who is, of course, from the same Lodha family. And the second partner is Mr. Burgess Desai. And you can Google regarding Burgess Desai as well. So the company which owns this project is Lodha Associates. There are two partners. One is Mr. Abhinandan Lodha and the second is Mr. Burgess Desai.
Okay. So next question is coming from Mr. Dharmesh side. He's asking after buying the plot, who will assist to develop the plot and how much area we can build on 2,500 square feet land?
So the FSI at this particular development is 1.27. So let's say if you're buying a plot size of 2,500 square feet, the buildable area is 3,175. And for a person who would buy 25,000 square feet, the buildable area is 31,750. So 1.27 is the FSI available. As far as doing the construction, we will share a list of contractors and architects at the time of possession. But if the customer wants to use his own personal contractor and personal architect, the customer is free to do so.
Okay. And Ms. Pooja, we already replied this question because and we will provide you contractor details and architecture at the time of possession. So she was asking same question. So we go to next question.
So I would like to talk about the payment schedule. Okay.
Yes, if
There is a
you explain the payment flows, then definitely this.
I see some, yes, I see some questions regarding security money, and there are some questions regarding the schedule.
Yes.
So the firstly, 9.9 lakh is the flat amount. Okay. On top of it, you will have 1.5 lakh rupees as the infra charges. Okay. Your agreement value would be 11 lakhs 40,000. This all the pricing is for 2,500 square feet unit. I call it as the aqua unit. On 11 lakh 40,000, you have stamp duty, which is 57,000 rupees. 5% is the stamp duty. Registration charges are 30,000 rupees. Incidental charges of 25,000 rupees to do the paperwork and certain formalities that need to be completed at the stamp duty office. So in total, aqua unit, which is 2,500 square feet in size, will cost 12 lakh 52,000 rupees. Okay. Now there was another question who asked me what is the price of 25,000. The all-in price for a 25,000 square feet plot is 1 crore 24 lakhs 92,775. So basically the price point is the same across sizes. Now the payment schedule is like this. Right now you need to pay me 1 lakh rupees for an aqua unit. So for example, if a customer is buying 4 aqua units, he has to pay 4 lakh rupees. Okay. So if a person is buying 25,000 square feet, then he has to pay me 10 lakh rupees. So that is the pre-booking amount. So every aqua unit has a pre-booking amount of 1 lakh rupees. After this, in the month of February, I will do the allocation. We will discuss your unit on a one-on-one basis. You can also come to the site, see what you are getting, choose your plot. Once you do that, we will do the stamp duty registration. Once you do the stamp duty registration, you need to pay 100% in the next 14 days.
Okay. So many customers are asking when we can visit the site.
You can visit the site even now, but right now, because of the monsoons, it is not advisable. So whenever you wish to go to the site, you can contact us and we will arrange for the location to be showed to you. Right now, the land clearing work is going on. It is on hold right now because of the monsoons. We will start clearing the land after the monsoons, and that is when we will also start demarcating the plots. So you can go any point of time. You can go there tomorrow as well. But ideally, the best time to do that would be in the month of January, February, when the plots will be demarcated.
Okay. So many customers are asking this if they don't like the property at the time of allocation. So is there any deductions at the time of refundable at the time of refund?
There are no deductions. They can write an email for refund and they will get the refund in 30 to 45 working days.
Yes, and Mr. Prabhat is asking this amount is part of 9.9 lakhs. Yes, this will be part of total value, right?
This is part of the total value. The total value is 12 lakh 52,000.
Okay. Yes, so almost we have replied all questions and so we are also bound on time. So I want to explain the procedures how we can assist to all our customers. If any customer is interested, so you need to reply on the email ID from which
Mukesh, do you want to take some more questions?
Yes, you can reply.
Okay, I just choose. So there is a question by Mr. Satish. How far are these plots from the seashore? 800 meters from the seashore.
Okay, great.
What is the rough time from Mumbai? 5.5 hours right now, but once the Mumbai-Goa highway comes up, it widens up and the coastal road comes up, you will be able to reach Dapoli in 3.5 hours.
Okay. And Mr. Vishal is asking, do you have any tie-up with any bank with loan?
We have in principle approval from HDFC, but exactly which are the banks on board, we will be able to share with you only in the month of February once I have the NA with me. But right now we are in discussions with HDFC.
Okay, so kindly, many customers joined late. We already explained about the carpet area. So can you repeat what are the carpets area available? Few customers are
There
asking.
are 4 sizes. Yeah, there are 4 sizes with us. Aqua unit, which is 2,500 carpet. Laguna unit, which is 7,500 carpet. Oceania unit, which is 25,000 square feet. Avantgarde, which is 50,000 square feet. Okay. So if a customer wants to buy 5,000 square feet, he can do that. So everything has to be in the multiplies of 2,500 square feet.
Okay, great. So how much area is open in this land? How much area is open? How much open spaces, open space are
Out
available?
of the
This
yes,
question
out
is
of
from
the
Mr.
total
Vishal Jain.
yes, out of the total area, 15% is dedicated to amenities and open spaces.
Okay, so any restrictions or time limit for constructing after buying the land? This question is from Mr. Ashok.
There is no time limit.
Wrong.
You can wish to not construct anything. You can keep it as a open plot as well.
Okay.
And you need not worry about encroachment because we have security and the plots are demarcated. So you can keep the plot as it is as well.
Okay, so Mr. Gaurav is asking, is this project approved under RERA?
No, as per the new regulations, plotted projects do not come into RERA. So this is not in RERA right now. And that is why I'm able to sell it without having a RERA.
Okay, so any question I skipped, Nile, you can choose.
Yeah, I'll just go through this. Just give me 1 minute, Mukesh ji. Yes, brochure is available. Mukesh ji and his team will share it with you. Usable for 2,500 carpet. Entire usable is 2,500. So if you're buying a plot worth the plot of the size of 2,500 square feet, the entire area is usable. Only thing is the FSI is 1.27. So if you wish to construct something, you will be able to construct only an area of 3,175 in total.
And one more question is coming. 2% can buy same plot. Matlab, 2% can put the money. Like 2 friends want to buy. Is it possible?
If 2 friends want to buy, they will have to form a separate partnership firm and buy it in that name.
Okay, is it possible, right?
Yes, it is possible.
Okay, and Mr. Jay is asking, will the car parking will be separate?
You can park your car in the plot, same plot. There is no separate car parking. 2,500 square feet plot is the area in which you can park your car as well. There is no separate car park. There is one question regarding height restriction. Yes, there is a height restriction. You can construct a ground plus 1 structure and each floor can have a height of 3 meters. So in total, you can construct 6 meters.
Okay.
Yeah, I think these are most of the questions. I think we have covered all questions, Mukesh. If I have skipped anything, you can let me know.
Yes. And wait, just I am scrolling it again and checking. If anyone want to ask, they can put on the giveaway section from your window. We will reply. Yes, Mr. Sandeep is asking. We will start the allocations in the month of February. Yes. Yes, almost done. Thank you so much to all our customers for joining this webinar. And what is the process to grab this opportunity? And after this webinar, our sales team will connect with you. Yeah, you can also drop a mail on the same email ID from which you got the invitations of this webinar. Once you registered, you got a confirmations mail and acknowledgement. You can reply on the email ID when you are available, when you want to discuss one-to-one with our closing manager. Otherwise, our sales team is going to connect with you by today only. If you are not receiving any call from our sales team, you can note down my mobile number. My name is Mukesh and my mobile number is, I am reachable on 77-180-64506. I am repeating the number again, 77-180-64506. You can call on this number, you can WhatsApp on this number, you can drop a mail on mukesh@houseseekers.in. We will align your meeting as soon as possible once our sales teams are available. Thank you so much. I am sharing a screen. You can also note down the number and email ID from the screen, and you can reply. We will start aligning your meeting with our dedicated manager. Anything, Kaushik ji, you want to add? You can add it. Kaushik ji, anything you want to add?
No, nothing, Mukesh ji. Just like to thank everyone for attending this session and being patient with us, guys. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Please let us know, and we will share with you how to go further with your booking.
You all can note down the number and email ID. You can drop a mail on this email ID, which is showing on this screen, and we will start aligning your meeting. Thank you so much, Sneha ji, Nile ji, and Kaushik ji for giving your precious time. And thank you so much for downloading the opportunity. Thanks again.